In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your license plate bracket on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's located on the front of the car. Using a T20, we're going to remove these top two bolts. After you remove those, you're going to pick up this bracket and you're going to unhook it by pushing down on these tabs and removing it. To install, you're just going to line up the holes and start your two bolts. The package does give you screws as well if you don't have any, and you can use those. Let's tighten these down. I'm going to do a little bit on each side. And that should be good. Use the screws provided when installing your license plate and line them up and just go right into the plastic. Do the same for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.